Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. And today, as y'all can see, I'm already styled. Today will not be a tutorial type of video, simply because the style that I'm wearing, I'm like, do y'all really want to see me braid for hours on end? No. Just keep it real. So really, I just wanted to go and review this hair that I got off of Amazon. And it is a GoGo curl type of pattern. I will, of course, put all the description. I will put all of the information down below in my description box so you guys can see where I bought the hair from. I did buy two different colors and I mixed it because I did want, like, you know, a cute little summer color. This was a great style for vacay, y'all. Like, I literally got up and went. Yeah, so this was perfect. Definitely great for the pool. Now, although I did get in the pool, I did not fully submerge my hair, so I can't completely tell you guys if it's water friendly. But I will be making a video of me washing this hair just because I want to see how it does. I had no problems in frizz. Like, I literally didn't even mousse this. I have not put mousse in this hair, I think, since I installed it, and it's been roughly about 2.5 weeks. I have not put any product in it. All I have done, guys, is put oil in my hair, on my scalp, and that has been it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it down and let you guys see. So all I pretty much did was, y'all know my hair is short. If you don't know, I have a taper cut, so I did not have to braid far down at all. So, and I don't know how to knot. You know how, like, when you go to some braiders, they know how to knot the ends to keep the hair from unraveling. I don't know how to do that. So what do I use? Nail glue. So all I did was, like, braid it down a little bit past my hair and put nail glue right here. And then for a little fullness effect, guys, I did, like, crochet some of the loose pieces in here to kind of give it a boho look. I didn't go throughout my whole head because this hair is already, like, full. And as you can see, it looks like I have a full head of hair in now, and I have half of a head. So, like, yeah, this hair, yeah, y'all, this, I will definitely be doing, like, some type of video where I will actually crochet this hair in instead of braiding it in. But I knew I wanted a little bit more versatility, being able to, even though I can still do it the same way, but because my hair is so short, super short back here, like, I knew it was going to be a little bit harder with me trying to cornrow it and then crochet it. So that is another reason why I decided to braid it and braid it in and do it this way. Now, this hair does braid in very well. I didn't experience any slippage at all. Like I said, I have not experienced any frizzing. It does get slightly tangled a little bit, so I will say you do have to kind of run your hands through it. But I mean, it's synthetic crochet hair, so it's kind of inevitable. How I wear it at night, as you saw in the beginning of the video, all I do is put it up, wrap it around, and it's super, like, y'all, when I say this hair is versatile, it's super versatile. So I've worn it half up, half down. I've worn it all up. I've worn it in a high ponytail. I've worn it in low ponytail. I've worn it all down, like that way, kind of like over to the side. When I say, y'all, this hair is versatile, it is versatile. So yeah, so and the color, like I said, I wanted something real summery. Now I got, and I will, like I said, I will list all of this in the description box. I combined the 613 along with the I think I got a 1B. This is either 1B, I think it's 1B27, but it's like a gradual ombre mix. So that's why, as you guys can see, it kind of looks like that. So it's more brownish at the ends, and then it's a little darker going up to the roots, as you can see. And when I say I got so many compliments on this hair, like, yeah. So and I'm gonna show you guys some pictures of me too, because we went to Vegas for my husband's 40th birthday, had a blast, and then we spent too much money. Oh y'all, Vegas is so expensive. Lord Jesus, I give it up to anybody that can make it and live out there, because whoa, it is an expensive place to be. But yeah, so I was able to change my hair every time we went somewhere, and literally everybody was like, I love your hair, I love your hair, I like your hair, I like your hair. And I was like, do you? Do you? Thank you. But no, for real, y'all. Yeah, so when I say that this hair, I feel like this hair is low maintenance, because like I said, other than like running your fingers through it from time to time to get through any like tangling or whatnot, like, yeah, low maintenance. Like, there is not a lot of moussing that I usually would have to do with my crochet hair. And yeah, all I've done, like I said, is put some oil on my scalp and up and gone, like literally up and gone. And y'all, I'm so tempted. I don't know, I really want to try something new, but at the same time, I like this style because it's so summery, and I've just started back working out, and this has been the perfect hair to work out in. Like, literally the perfect style to work out in, because I literally don't have to do anything. And if I want to go somewhere after I work out, either keep it up in a bun or take it down, run my fingers through it, and your girl is ready to go. This is great date night hair. And yeah, like I said, y'all can see, like, it's still super fluffy, very fluffy. And yeah, and I'm trying to think. And guys, of course, y'all know I don't never always use all the hair that I get, so I did not, because I braided it and because I literally have like half a head of hair. I think it came in 2 packs of each. So depending on if you want a full head, of course you need a little bit more than 2 packs of each color if you mix it. But I still had hair left over because I braided it. So yeah, I think that's about it. So you guys stay tuned, and like I said, I will be doing another video of me actually washing this, because I think I want to keep it in for a little bit longer, especially since it took me forever to put these braids in. Like, yeah, no, took me about 4.5, 5 hours. Yeah. Yeah. So on that note, thank you guys for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.